What?
The clouds. The clouds.
They're getting dark far away.
Shit is crazy. Venus. Mom, see Venus, bottom right? Like 5 o'clock? Mom, see Venus, bottom right? Jupiter's right there. Jupiter's like 12 o'clock. About close to distance. Oh, wow. Yeah. Venus is 12 o'clock. Right over the church. Jupiter's straight up over the church.
Oh my god, wait, look at the difference in the color on the sky.
Whoa, wait, look at that.
Yeah.
That is crazy. What? This is like really freaking out.
Dark. Wow. Wait, can we see it? Oh my god, look there. What? Yeah, I have to take a picture. Whoa. Oh my god. Right? Don't you see the little thing at the bottom that's like a little bit brighter? Wow. I'm getting chilled.
Venus is this.
Venus down here, bottom right. Jupiter right up here.
Oh wait, so that's
Imagine being on that plane.
Oh, the birds! Right.
Do you see the corona on the bottom left? Or the prominence in the bottom left?
Yeah.
That's a prominence. It's something exploding off the surface of the sun, bottom left.
Yeah.
Looks like a red fire.
It's not gonna like.
I think we're gonna take
Sorry, you can kind of tell.
Let it corona. And now it's like it's right that's awesome.
This feels dark.
Yeah, I think it is. Definitely feels like it is.
comes. Oh, yeah.
That was awesome. I'm gonna let the drone go for another couple minutes.